Welcome to Cheyney University's Using My Settings Locker video. After logging into your Desire to Learn account and viewing your My Home page, you should see the My Settings window. The locker is accessible in the My Settings window by selecting this link. It is also available to you anytime you are logged in to D2L by selecting the Locker button at the top of your screen. Either of these links will take you to your locker. If this is your first time using your locker, it will look like this, indicating that there are no files currently stored in this locker. Instructions on how to use the locker can be found in the margin. They read as follows. You can use this page to upload, create, edit, move, copy, zip, and delete files in your personal locker. If you attend to the usage window, it will indicate how much space you've used in your locker. Due to the large amount of space you have at your discretion, it might prove useful to create folders for you to sort through any information that you store in your locker. You can create a folder by selecting the New Folder button. This will open a new window in your D2L account and permit you to create a folder. I strongly suggest that you either create folders specifically for classes or creating folders representing each semester. When you press the Create button, this new folder will be visible and displayed to you on your My Locker page. To upload a file, simply click the Upload Files button. This will also open up an Upload Files window in your D2L account. You'll be given the option to create a description. You can expand this window and enter in any information relevant to the file that you are storing. You can collapse this window also by clicking the same button. When uploading a file, you can choose what folder you wish to upload this file to. By selecting the Choose Destination button, you'll be taken to a screen which allows you to pick which folder. You can either upload this file directly to the My Locker folder, or you can select any folder which you have created in your locker. The destination folder will be visible on your Upload File screen. Then you must select the Browse button. Search your computer for the file you wish to upload. You can also add additional files by selecting the Add button, which will allow you to upload multiple files with one upload command. After uploading the file, your file will be immediately visible in your My Locker window. Since this particular file was stored in a created folder, you could return to the parent folder by either selecting Return to Parent Folder or by clicking the My Locker option in the hyperlink across your screen. You can return to and view the contents of any folder listed in this screen by selecting the folder name, which is a hyperlink. In addition to uploading files, you can also create new files and store the contents directly in your locker. By selecting the New File button, you'll be able to create a new HTML file. You can name this file, choose the destination folder. You have the option of either creating a description for this file. You can also type contents directly into this window, which will be saved in the new HTML file you are creating. After creating this file, you will see the chosen name as well as the description of this newly created document. By selecting the hyperlink, you'll be able to open or save this file. After uploading and using files, you'll realize that the size of the document that you uploaded will impact your usage and storage space, which can be found and tracked in your usage window. Depending on how much information you store in your locker, it may also serve useful for you to use the search function. Typing in any keywords in the search function, you'll be taken to a search results page which will reveal to you the location of any documents, files, or folders that have the keyword which you search for. To return back to your full screen listing all content stored in your My Locker, simply select the Clear Search hyperlink. When viewing the content in your locker, you have a number of actions available to you. You can move and reorganize files by selecting the Rearrange action. You can also edit the contents, names, and description of your documents by selecting the Edit action, or you can also delete the files by selecting the trash can icon. Please be careful. When deleting files, this action is permanent. As always, log out upon using your Desire to Learn account, especially when using your locker, as you do not want this content to be accessed by anyone else.